ratios. Okay, everybody has their multiplication sheets and pencils ready to go. We're going to start out with watching a video about reducing ratios. And you've all completed your seat work for the morning, and it's been checked.
Ratios in simplest form in pre-algebra.
Okay.
Writing ratios in simplest.
Can you hear it? Okay.
Hi, I'm Drew Moyer, and this is how to do ratios in simplest form in pre-algebra. Writing ratios in simplest form is the same thing as reducing fractions. We want to divide both terms by their greatest common factor. In other words, the biggest number that the two have in common. Let's suppose that the basketball team has won 64 out of 80 games. And we are told to find what is their ratio of wins to losses. Well, the wins I'm already given, it's 64. And for the losses, I can get that number just by subtracting 64 from 80. And I find out that they've lost 16 games.
Okay, that's what we just did on your seat work, correct? You had to figure out how many blue pens there were by doing this subtraction.
So I'd write the ratio like this, 64 colon 16. And then I want to look for a common factor that I can divide out. But not just a common factor, I want to find the biggest common factor that they have. And it turns out that it's 16. So I divide both numbers by 16. If I divide 64 by 16, I get 4. And if I divide 16 by 16, I get 1. So the new ratio is 4 to 1. 4 wins for every 1 loss. I'm Drew Moyer, and that is how to do ratios in simplest form in pre-algebra.
Okay. Now I'm going to hand out your papers. Star, can you hand out everyone a paper, please? Thank you. While I get the Elmo started.